Hello folks. Today we have listened about omitting. Omitting its namespace no std colon anymore. It's actually not practical that every time that we want to print something on the console screen or black screen, we write std colon. It's not practical. It's annoying the developers so much. So let us go and see how we can erase this or get rid of it. All right, so this is our normal program. Hashtag include iostream, integer main function, curly bracket, std, colon, cout to bring some from reprogramming school. And to make even new line, I need to also write std, colon, end line. It's not practical and it takes even time when you write a lot of lines of code. So to erase it, what we should to do, we should to write under the hashtag include iostream, we should write under it using namespace std semicolon. Now the compiler, it will give us permission, or it will allow to us that we write the code or print it on the black screen console screen without using std colon, and even we can make new lines without std colon. Stay with me because I would like to explain to you now with the code. We'll go to code together now on Visual Studio. What is namespace? And even iostream, if it's library or if it's part of library. Before, I know that I told you it's library, but every time we go further in our lessons in this roadmap, I will explain the things more deeply, not from the beginning give you everything to not have goulash in your brain. All right, so let's go to code, please. All right, this is our code. Let's run it together. This is like code from previous lessons. All right, we have here a hashtag include iostream, std colon cout hi, I'm Sam from reprogramming school, and we have also after that a less than insertion operator std end line, and same to the second line. All right, so let us run the code first to see if it's working or not. Perfect, it's work. Hi, I'm Sam from reprogramming school with smiley face. This is my first C++ program, so we will close it. All right, we say to erase the std and print code on black screen or console screen without using std colon. We should write what under the hashtag include iostream. We should write, we said, using name space std semicolon. So now I will go to erase the std here. Okay, and colon. All right, and I will also erase this, the std colon, and I will just leave the end line. And here, if I want to erase them both, the std colon together, look, it will erase all the line of code, you know. So if I want just to erase a part of the code, what should I do? I will click on a mouse. All right, the left one, I hold it, I go, for example, to the highlight std colon and press alt on the keyboard and go down. This is a trick in Visual Studio. You can do this, for example, to erase one letter, two letter for all the lines of code. Instead, you erase them or delete them one by one, and it takes time. So we hold or we press long press on the left side of the mouse, and after that we press also L together, and we can choose from here to here, down to up, just here, just that, you know. So now I want to erase them both to see if using namespace std going to work or not after we run the program, after we delete them. So we do highlight for it, we delete them, good, it's work, there is no edges found. So let us run the program, we will see if it's work or not. It's work without std colon because we using namespace std. So what is namespace? Namespace is like a grouping virtual. It exists inside it all the things that it's work with std. For example, we have std cout, std string, std cn, std vector. All of these things we'll take it in feature. Now we just take std cout. So all the things that it's work just with std, to have permission until the compiler, or let the compiler not give us syntax errors while we're using the things that it's related to std without give us syntax error, we write this using namespace std. Now we tell the compiler, please let us use all the things that it's actually related or work with std without using std colon. And actually std, we said it exists in iostream library. While iostream library, it's not library. It's known between the developers as a library because it's like more practical to say to each other, okay, I will include hashtag include iostream, hashtag include iostream library, hashtag include string library, hashtag include math, graphics, whatever library. But actually, all of these things that I mentioned them included iostream. They are header files, exist or part of C++ standard library. They're not library by itself. Like iostream is not library by itself. It's part of C++ standard library, but it's known as library. Like I said, as a developer, we use it that include iostream library. Okay, if your code not work, try to include, for example, math library, string library. While all of them not libraries, all of them header files, they are part of C++ standard library. So that was the lesson for today. I hope that you enjoyed. So see you next lesson, guys. Ciao.